A psychologist is somebody who specializes in psychology. Psychology can most easily be described as everything that has to do with the inner life, such as the feeling, striving, knowing, and behavior of people. There are several specializations possible as a psychologist. Psychologists can therefore work for different organizations, institutions, or companies, depending on the chosen specialization. It is therefore not the case that psychologists can only work within the healthcare sector. For example, there are also psychologists working within the business community to select applicants. However, most people will only know the psychologist as someone who treats clients or patients if there is a certain psychological condition. The substantive work of psychologists can differ per psychologist, but in general we can say that psychologists are responsible for guiding and helping people who experience certain problems and can no longer solve them themselves. People who have to deal with a psychologist will initially have to tell a lot about themselves before a psychologist can start a targeted treatment. A psychologist can apply various techniques, such as cognitive therapy, insightful talk therapy, or behavioral therapy. As a psychologist, there are training opportunities at HBO level and at university level. If a psychologist works within a hospital, the designation clinical psychologist or health psychologist may also apply. A psychologist cannot be regarded as a doctor. The profession of psychologist belongs to the paramedical professions. A paramedic may only perform certain established medical procedures. Obviously, psychologists can deal with many different conditions, which can differ per client or patient.